Marketing and advertising can be complicated. What's most important?
What should I focus on?
Direct marketing?
Email campaigns?
Social media?
Cold calling?
With Marketing Atlas, you'll have a clear guide to get more leads, close more sales, and take your business to the next level. Welcome to Marketing Atlas.
Marketing Atlas.
Marketing Atlas.
With your host, Hernan Vazquez.
Here's my approach to affiliate marketing as a whole. It all comes down to building your own list, like actually providing a service and providing value to your following, number one, but also number two, being really, really adamant with the quality of the products that you're pushing. And lo and behold, we have been guilty about pushing products that then we didn't know at the time, but they wouldn't have the support that we would expect. Most people in this industry, they do not last. That's why you have a bunch of garbage products out there, like $7 products. You know, they're so bad, they're not supported, and they're like, they just have a pretty landing page and that's it. And they have a lot of people promoting them. And then the good news about affiliate marketing is that it's a really good secondary avenue for you to promote your business. It's not like you actually basing your business based on other people's promotions. That's not what I like to do. What I like to do is to advertise, to build my list, and to actually go from there. And every time somebody asks me, hey, what's the best CRM? I keep on saying ActiveCampaign because that's what I use. For me to promote a product is a big deal. Some people will come and tell me, hey, Hernan, I want to promote your products to my audience. And I say, yeah, sure, let's do it. But I just want to make sure that I'm providing value to your audience. You know, this shouldn't be a cash grab because it's your name, it's my name behind it. So it's a big deal. It's a really big deal. So that's how I take it. Could be a good opportunity for you to actually grow your list, make money, but that's not something that I focus. I'm focused on paid advertising and building businesses. The Facebook Ads Library, which is my go-to solution for spying, quote unquote. There's no such thing as spying anymore because, you know, it's like, you're in the library, so everything's public. I don't use anything else to spy. Like, I know that there's some good tools, like Social Ad Spy is one of them, Spy Scout is another one, but I haven't used them in a while. Basically, I just go back to the library. Because at the end of the day, we're basically all targeting the same people, right? It's all a matter of the creative and all of that. Hey, this is Hernan Vazquez, and I know that if you're running Facebook ads, it can get complicated. Facebook changes stuff every week. Techniques are being updated, strategies are being updated, and some people are just not getting the results that they want. So what I wanted to do is to condense several years of experience and millions of dollars in advertising in one simple guidebook that you can pull out whenever you're running your Facebook ads so that you can have a template that you can use. So if you're interested in getting a copy, go to adsguide2020.com. That is adsguide2020.com. Download your copy. Hope you enjoy it. An acquisition funnel works like this. So you have a low entry product, which is anywhere between 7 to 27 or 37, right? And then you have a sales page right here, and then it goes to an order form. And then in the order form, you might have an order bump for $37. And then you have an OTO for $97. And then you might have another OTO for $197, right? And then you have the thank you page. Boom. So that's basically your funnel right there. Now, an acquisition funnel works in a way that you will run the ads to this low entry, and then you will have an average order value here. Let's say that the average order value, AOV, is $50, right? So on the ads, you want to get as many buyers as you can for under $50, right? So as long as you're getting buyers for under $50, then you're basically making money on the front end or breaking even. So that's an acquisition funnel. Now, here, one of the things that I saw as a pricing structure or as a pricing anchoring is that they will say $297, now selling for $27. But if you go through the funnel, they will have this stuff. They will have this stuff up and running as well. All right, so that is something to consider. That is called an acquisition funnel, and I talk extensively about acquisition funnels, and I love acquisition funnels for Facebook ads. But this is something that you wanna consider. Like whenever you're seeing an offer running from the ads, $7, $17, $27, up to $37, it's basically this stuff on the back end. Now, another OTO sometimes will be a continuity program. So it can be an OTO for a continuity, let's say $20 a month or something like that. So that is basically the deal. The main thing that you want to consider here is the average order value. Okay, so this is your main metric. So whenever you're acquiring customers for under $50, that's where you know you're winning. You're basically acquiring customers at a break-even or better position, which is pretty cool. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions coming up, you can always drop them here, marketingatlasshow.com. If you have any additional questions, go to hernanvazquez.com/Facebook to join my free Facebook group. I'll see you guys really, really soon. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.